lighting, maybe I would look decent.
Bitch, just because if we let me pause this. This is going on the internet. Hello world. I'm Jade, trying not to be trashy.
That's awesome.
Okay, so me and Kassy are here. Kassy's now 21. Happy birthday! We don't need to move this out of frame because we're both legal.
Sorry, I will think now.
So today, Wine Wednesday with the trash queen and her apprentice. Because you're not full trash.
Okay, I think you're making a lot out of this.
Yes, it's my YouTube channel. We stand! Oh, excuse me, doggo. No, you're not 21. Okay, squad's here. So we're gonna make slime. And we've done this one time before, but then we lost all our slime. We're doing a haul. Code 25% off with trash for some men's shaving cream from Dollar Tree. So we got 4 things of glue.
Appearance.
Stop! Someone's gonna take out my dog. 4 glue boys. And then we got stuff. Oh, and we got Kassy had contact solution. I don't wear contacts.
I do because
I got some foam bead things. I feel like this could be fun.
funny to like.
This is some beads to put in the slime. And some sequins, because I got these for Kassy, because she's such a bitch. Like a white bitch. Okay, so what time is it? It is 9:50. Anyway, so we're gonna finish this wine. And then we're gonna make some slime.
Why do they have fake snow out in December?
Yo, the Dollar Store
That would
ready
make
for
sense if
Christmas.
they had
They're
it out in
fucking
December.
ready for Christmas.
It's October. You have to open your birthday wine.
I don't know how to open wine. Mom, open my wine. Mom, will this pop?
Excuse me.
Yo, don't shove me, my dude. How is it? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I cut myself.
It's the simplest tasks that you don't understand.
Chief, do that like somewhere else.
I-
Go like in a
It's
area
gonna
where-
shoot?
Yes.
Mom, I'm scared. I don't want to do it. Can you do it? The dog's gonna eat it. Oh my god. It's me sticky now.
I wanted this to happen.
You did. It's all over your leg. I don't know how you got on the fucking ceiling. You're cleaning this.
It's not working super well.
You are like totally useless.
I know. She doesn't even know how to open a simple bottle.
You did it, you dumb bitch! We're using the glue. Shut up, Aurora. I love you. Aurora, I'm literally just making slime right now.
I'm like so surprised I was never that kid that like ate glue.
Ew, that shit's nasty. Because I'm just going to put water in here to get the rest of the glue out. Okay, so here's my glue. Sorry, Mom. We're using your things. We're going to clean them, though. Alright, so I added some water.
Glue, half a cup of shaving cream. Oh, you need cornstarch.
Okay, yours is different than mine was.
Okay, well, there's like 100 different recipes, so. I wouldn't use too much.
Oh, well. Don't lick that! Alright, I'm going to put in my contact solution. Thank you to Kassy for my contact solution.
Having terrible eyes, you're welcome.
Okay, if this isn't working, I'm going to be really fucking sad.
Did it do anything special? Uh-oh. I thought it came in a bag.
Really, bitch? Mine's literally not doing anything. I'm so depressed right now. Kassy, you don't need any more fucking shaving cream. Does mine seem like it's gonna... Is this thicker than... Like, I don't know what to add.
What'd you add? What did you add?
Wait, right?
What did you add?
Wait, is it working? Or am I just drunk?
I mean, you're probably just drunk.
Okay, guys, we're trying to figure this out. This is really fucking hard. Is yours actually working? You better share, bitch. Oh, hello, sir.
What are you doing?
Trying to make slime.
Do you want to be recording still?
Yes, they have to see my failures.
Oh, you're still recording? You're recording me?
Okay, well, you saw that our attempt at making slime the first time was terrible, and now I'm gonna try it again. We all don't want to do this, but I want to do it anyway. Cassie made food. Jeff went and got us new glue. So I'm gonna try Elmer's glue, because I think this shitty glue didn't work. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So sad right now. Just wanted to make slime. That's all. But, like, I feel like it's kind of working, but I'm confused, because it, like, doesn't... What the fuck? Because it's kind of like sticking together. Okay, alert. Cassie somehow figured out how to make this fucking slime. I'm so fucking happy right now. Of course, it's literally as I made my food, so she's gonna have to wait because I'm making slime. Here, give me, I'll knead it still, and then you can make more in the meantime. Here, yeah, you're supposed to knead it with your hands.
Yeah, no, Jade, I know, but I think I need a little more activator.
Okay, well, I'm waiting.
Activator. So we don't waste it.
Make sure it's clean over here.
Okay. I think it's too sticky.
So let's put it on the counter.
Jeffrey's in charge of glue. And I've never heard half of these songs. I'm just gonna scrape the bowl. It looks so cool!
You didn't even see him in concert, isn't it?
You saw him in concert?
He's a Firefly. That's how we found his music. Whatever you want.
Yeah.
Slap in a booty. Slap in a booty.
No, how many
$5.
pounds was it? Alright, here's your next one.
Plop him down. Oh, he's nice.
Nope, they're
I'm like those people
this
on
one.
Instagram.
Yeah, this one's fine.
Alright, let's get some ASMR. Hold on, guys. Oh, I gotta turn it this way. Where the fuck's the thing?
Jeff, can you do
This
it?
is freaking Magnolia. No, this is Will Pepper. This is a classic. Oh, Tom wants to go see...
They're like falling out though, some of them. Yes, maybe.
Good one.
I want to put some beads in it. So like,
The dogs are doing
really? Bitch, what the fuck? Cool. Okay, so it is weeks later. It's actually when I'm editing this video and I realized I didn't film anything for the end of the video. Of course I'm wearing the same sweatshirt because I only wear one outfit all the time. Okay, so I found them. We put them in plastic bags so that obviously, I don't know. I feel like that's one of the best ways to keep them. Ugh, it's sticky. I mean, they're pretty cool still. I need to just invest in some good slime. If anyone knows where to get some good slime, let me know. I don't necessarily have a ton of money, so if you're gonna recommend slime, please make it cheap slime. So I guess we're not full trash. Proud of myself. But I would definitely look at more recipes and buy the right ingredients in the beginning, because it won't be sad for like 2 hours. This was a successful video, I guess. I wonder what we're gonna make next time we drink. Oh. You want us to make doggo food? You want us to make you treats? Oh. Oh, also, please go ahead and like this video if you liked me doing my trash thing. Or if you want to see me do more trash things. I know I haven't posted in like months. But I want to try to post more because I have fucking nothing else to do. So yeah, if you liked it. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you not in frame? How dare I? Well, hope you guys have a day full of trash and keep being queens and all that good stuff. And see ya.